Nashikot, Uzbekistan. Wow. It's from Uzbekistan. Kindergarten. Yan siya, guys.
Here it was planned to be a clinic.
Where?
On the ground floor.
Like mini hospital?
Like daycare.
You see, maybe it's a big mall.
That's over there, right?
Shopping center. Yeah. Guys, gagala naman tayo today, no? And iba naman yung pupuntahan natin. Meron kaming pupuntahan na garage kasi dati nagpaayos ng sasakyan yung asawa ko na nagpa-paint ng van namin. Yung dati namin na van, blue rin yung color. So, kukunin niya yung pintura kasi meron pang natira. Tapos since blue rin yung color ng sasakyan namin ngayon, yun yung gagamitin. So, pupuntahan namin no. Shopping center dyan, no? Bago. Mukhang maaraw guys na, pero malamig yung hangin. And masyadong mahangin kaya siya malamig. First time natin dadaan dito guys. Ha? Uy. But look at their design, so modern now. That look great. Project Karasi.
Municipal projects of Russia.
Oh, it's not a school. I thought it's a school.
Some kind of municipal building.
Guys, may ipa-park sa gitna, di ba? Ayan. Bago naman itong puntahan natin. Bago itong dadaanan natin. Sa kabilang side dito nung usually natin ang pinapuntahan. Here in Pichorochka, they have chicken feet here. I saw it when I went here last time. Oh, there's Mashrutka. There's Mashrutka.
Russia.
Oh, really? Oh, ganyan yung sasakyan namin, oh. Store. What is that store? Padviladoma, for house. Pero guys, meron pa fountain. Ewan ko, marinig nyo ako. Ang lakas ng hangin, you know. Hala, ang galing. Pero walang mga bata naglalaro kasi malamig. What's the population of Morina? So many people here.
I don't know. ChatGPT.
Wait. What do you call this place? Gazebo? Nice. What do you call this? Decentralized heating system of the whole barangay. Oh,
Heating center.
heating center. Yan siya. That also, look, there's two.
Oh, there's some kind of production. Old production facilities.
Factory.
They do something. I'm not sure what they do. Oh yeah.
Swing. Ganyan yung building na yun, oh. May flower. Pupunta tayo sa ano guys, sa may train station. Electric train station. Electrichka in Russian. Где? Beautiful Russian river. Ayan guys, ano yan siya na? Railway. Ay. Where did you put the apple? Where did you pick the apples? Is it there? Somewhere there? Over there? Okay. Here guys, nagpitas yan siya ng maraming apples doon, no, sa ano, parang, is it abandoned? Oh, what do you call that one? Discarded.
Yeah.
Discarded na ano ba, lot. Discarded na lupain. Merong mga apples. Pumita siya, ang dami guys. Ako natagbaw ako gawa ng ano, no, apple jam. Hanggang ngayon hindi pa niya naubos kasi hindi mo na kumakain. Siya lang tagakain lahat eh. Kuya wasad sa agianan dari oy. Ng train station guys. Kaya okay na. Nakikita na yung railway.
We missed another one.
What? No, maybe. No. Oh no. No, guys.
Alright, 2 hours, no trains. I don't know.
Which way?
We need to go next.
No. Can we go here? There's no train. So, tawid tayo guys. Diba? Wala namang train. Nung nakaraan nga is malapit na yung train guys. Natakot talaga ako. Pinipipan na kami ng train. Kasi doon banda oh. Nag-ano kami ba? Tumawid kami. Tapos malapit na yung train. Nagpipipipip na yung train kasi nasa ano pa rin kami. Nasa rail pa rin kami. Yan yung kabilang side. Doon yung kabilang side. Nag-stop yung train ba na dumaan. Sayang, na-miss namin. Oh, there's train coming. There's train coming. Let's go. Meron train guys. Makita nyo ba? Ewan ko kung makita nyo. Ayan. Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
No problem, no problem. We're gonna catch it.
Oh, okay.
We do so often. 10 minutes.
Is it rush hour now? Already? Ayan na siya. Malapit na siya guys. Oh my gosh. Ah, it's a small one. Wala siya, maliit. Yung ulo lang ng train. Ngayon guys, nintay na namin yung train. 10 minutes more. Marami ng mga tao pupunta. Lalo na dun sa kabilang side. Paparating na yung, yung train sa kabila na side. Yan, dumadami na yung tao dito na side kasi malapit na dumating yung train. Then, pero ito na yung train no, doon sa kabila. Ayan na siya. Punta yan sa city guys, St. Petersburg. So guys, makita nyo ba? Yun no. Malapit na. Pangmasa, wala kaming ticket guys kasi tignan nyo dito, walang bilihanan ng ticket no. But sabi ng asawa ko, meron daw nagbibenta ng ticket doon sa loob. Pero kung sunwerte ka, hindi nag-ikot-ikot yung nagbibenta ng ticket oh. Pwede ka makalibre. Di ba? Kasi wala man harang-harang. Doon sa kabila na station is merong harang no. So hindi ka makakapasok kung wala kang ticket. And ito na yung train, guys. Ayun siya, malapit na. Tumabi ako. Dito tayo, baka pipipan tayo na naman. Yehey!
Следующая остановка – Капитолово.
Stop lang guys. Yun. Is it going further? How far?
This one is not going.
Uh-huh.
Кузнечная.
Niche na yan. Yun siya guys, no? Ito na train is ito no? Suburban na train ba? Yung pang ano lang siya. Yung train sa city is yung metro or yung subway pa in English. Yung train na dumadaan sa ilalim ng lupa. Yun siya yung train para sa city. Now, itong train na ganito is para ito siya sa sa may sa labas ng city. Ganyan. Pero pumupunta rin ito sa city, no? Pero hindi talaga yung ikot-ikot ba? Hindi katulad ng metro na ikot-ikot kung saan-saan mapunta. Ayan. Oh, Gopnik area.
This is a local Gopnik. Gopstop place. You have no chance if you are stopped here.
Yeah, there. Oh, okay. Yeah. Ano ito, no? May mga factory yata dito. Here. Severnaya SBS. Factory bus. What's the factory here? You don't know? Okay.
It's like industrial area.
Yeah. The last time we were here, 1 year ago. Is it 1 year already?
No, not one. Half year ago.
Oh, look at this.
Четверг, сегодня четверг. There's a bicycle here. We should bring bicycles for ourselves. Someone selling near the metro.
What for?
For selling, for money.
I
People
mean,
were buying for
for
they were super
display. Like, here we are, but is it open? Garage ito guys.
Finally that car is ready. It's still let me fix it. So, what's the model? Tell me.
T4.
Yeah.
Garage ito guys, no? Garage yan siya. No, garage yan siya.